let's talk about the gold Rolex GMT bakelite. Historic treasure, the first generation Rolex GMT reference 6542 in yellow gold from 1959, featuring its original 18-karat riveted bracelet, a hallmark of early GMT craftsmanship. The bezel is equipped with a rare bakelite insert, turning a deep, rich red with age. Its tropical dial shifts beautiful toward warm orange tones, a combination of patina and originality seldom seen on the market. A watch that captures the true spirit of mid-century exploration. Every detail tells a story of decades of travel and heritage. This is a GMT made for pilots. More than a GMT, a milestone in Rolex history that you can find in the next auction, Monaco, the 12th of December, lot number 169, and the estimate will be 80,000 to 120 euros. And the estimate will be 80,000 to 120,000 euros.